stage Dr. Samuel Chua, Eastside NCR President. So I would like to read the citations. So Philippine Society of Information Technology Education National Capital Region present a certificate of appreciation to Mr. Raymond S. Cardenio in recognition of his invaluable contribution as a keynote speaker during the Design NCR course design, given his 25th April 2025 as SHL Art Building Lyceum of the Philippines, University, Manila. Signed, Design NCR President Dr. Samuel S. Chua. Our first plenary speaker, I would like to read this bio note. So as Executive Director and a founding member of the Analytics and Artificial Intelligence Association of the Philippines, he orchestrates strategic national initiatives to nurture a robust analytics and AI ecosystem. His leadership extends to pioneering education programs, shaping industry standards, and driving policy reforms, all aimed at positioning the Philippines as a global contender in technology and innovation to deliver societal impact through technology. Panels for information systems and for computing and information technology, and the ICT's Philippine Skills Framework for Analytics and AI underscore his commitment to empowering the next generation of tech innovators. Ladies and gentlemen, Executive Director of Analytics and Artificial Intelligence Association of the Philippines, Mr. Sherwin Pelayo.
And I'm definitely looking forward to more discussions, collaborations. We are going to announce a significant partnership that AAPR Association is going to have with Eastside National later. Definitely involve Eastside NCR. So most of the topics, the discussions that I'm going to discuss, na-discuss na ni Raymond, so kahatiin natin kasi alam ko bubuto na tayo. Kailangan natin break. Nagkaroon na rin ito, di ba, sa technical panels natin ng CHESA, now part of there's now another technical panel for IT, CS, and IS. So I'm part of that, but I'm also part of the technical panel of IS. Okay? Pero can you say about BS Psychology? Hindi siya magandang pakinggan. Kaya you tag the course as BS Psychology. Pero there's an understanding na may kailangan pang licensure before you become a full-fledged psychologist. Ganun din sinasabi natin sa data science. So some of the schools are offering Bachelor of Science in Data Science, but manage the expectations of your graduates na hindi sila tatawagin na data scientist pa. Kasi kulang sila ng domain expertise. So that's why what we're advocating is, instead magkaroon tayo talaga ng BSDS, gawin nyo na lang siya as part ng IS, in specialization in data science, or CS in specialization in data science. Okay, yan natin. Na-discuss na to ni Sir Raymond, job skills map, and then we also have the functional skills. I think what I'd just like to emphasize on is when you look at the skills framework, bibigyan kayo ng listahan doon, di ba, ng competencies and then the proficiency level. Sir Raymond already mentioned document. There is a skills reference document with descriptors, underpinning knowledge, skills, application, and toolset. Paano malalaman kung anong subject yung kukunin ng out of the columns, the 6 columns? Doon naka-indicate yun sa level. So kukunin nyo lang yung column na yun. And it is in that column kung saan align ang PSF with the PQF. Hindi doon sa mismong main reference document, but on the individual proficiency level. Kasi doon din tayo gumagawa ng subjects, doon din nangyayari yung mga micro-credentials. So, doon yung titingnan, okay, so sasabihin natin, data scientist level 3 dito, okay. Then kukunin yung level 3 na